Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a quick makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm thinking purple. We'll see. Since I'm wearing a purple shirt, why not? I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation by e.l.f. And I'm using my Morphe M439 brush. I'll show you guys. I'm actually gonna keep it pretty light. I don't want like super heavy makeup. So just enough to cover some of my imperfections. Ooh, I think I need to buy a new one of these. This foundation is so good, you guys. Like e.l.f. knew what they were doing when it came to this foundation. It's so good. At least I love it. So Abella is at a birthday party with Adrian. So it's just me home right now. So really, I'm literally just washing clothes and doing makeup. I'm gonna go in with the Infallible 24-hour by Loreal Paris concealer. I'm not sure what shade this is. It is, I don't know. Oh, Honey, 415. Such a big wand. I'm actually gonna go in with the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to blend my concealer because this was a little bit more dense and these brushes are a little bit more looser, so I'm gonna go with this one. This is how we're looking. Powder, I'm using the Coty Airspun. I'm actually gonna put this setting powder in a different container because it always spills everywhere every time I open it. So I put on a lot of translucent powder, just fair warning. I know I look kind of pale right now, but once I put on the setting spray, it's gonna melt in that translucent powder. Before we do that, I'm actually gonna go in with some blush right now so I don't have to do it later. I use the same blush palette every time. It's a Saharian Blush Volume 2 by Juvia's Place. I love it. It's so pigmented, so it lasts literally forever. I just love it so much. I'm keeping the blush high because if I bring it too low, it's just not a good look, for me at least. Palette by Cara Beauty. Such a pretty palette. Look at these colors, you guys. This darkish purple matchup is what it's called. This tapping is sweeping the product on. And then I'm gonna go in with the darker purple right here. I'm gonna use something come out clean. I'm gonna go in with Grape. This is like this one right here. Wow. And now I'm gonna go back into this palette and go into the orange and put that on my lower lash line. This orange is okay. You know what? I'm gonna go into the Wildflower palette by, who's this by? Oh, Cara Beauty also. There's a better orange in this palette right here that I used in yesterday's look. That's pretty. We're actually gonna go into this palette again, Wildflower, and we're gonna get South Wind, which is like this nude color right here. Just put at the top of. Go with the Great Lash by Maybelline to play down. With this one, we're doing 2 mascaras. I'm being very careful not to get it on like the orange. I'll try my best. You see that? It looks really nice. And now that they're separated, we're gonna go in with the Lash Paradise by Loreal Paris. I like to blink into the mascara. And now it looks like I'm wearing falsies while wearing falsies. What do I do for lips? We're gonna do a glossy brown. So I'm gonna take the NYX Smooth Whip. This is one of their newer products. This is in the color Teddy Fluff. Just remember, if you want to do this look, depending on your skin tone, the lipstick could look way different. Because this is a brown, but it shows more like, it shows brown, but more like a taupey brown, I guess, on me. But it'll probably look way different if someone lighter. And now we're gonna go with the Salted Caramel Sweet Lippy. And then we're gonna do some highlight. Called Rich Glow Obsessions Mini Face Palette. That lip gloss smells so good. It smells like toasted almonds, I don't know. And right now I'm really digging this color. I rub in my highlight, I don't just like put it on with a brush. How it looks when you rub it in. It looks so good. And I'm gonna put some highlight. We use this one right here and put it in the corner of my eyes. Beautiful. And I'm gonna set the face. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Setting spray to zoom out. And then I'm gonna go with the alternator on top of that one. It's gonna mix with each other. And this is just gonna blend your makeup all together. Okay, my face is now dry for the most part. And this is the look, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it down below. Please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out. And if you like videos like this, you know, old school makeup tutorials, please follow me, you guys. Like, I'm here. There will be new videos weekly, if not daily. So definitely give me a follow and thumbs up this video. Alright, bye guys.